making Egusi soup. I've started by putting the palm oil and I'm frying the egusi. I've mixed the egusi with the stock from the prawn I cooked. That's why it's sticky. So I'm going to fry it for a while, for roughly like 5 minutes, so that I can get it cooking. Can get it ready for cooking. I'm not going to stop frying because you need to fry the egusi for like 5 minutes to get it ready for cooking. I'll continue to stir. I've prepared all the ingredients I need to use to prepare this egusi soup, so it's not going to take me any longer. But I must ensure that the egusi itself is properly fried and cooked before all the ingredients are added. You need to do this so that it does not give you any stomach problem or issues. You will not stop frying because if you do, it's going to get burnt. There are different ways of making egusi soup, but this is my own style. You continue to fry and fry until you're sure that it's been properly fried. You can see it's changing color. So at this junction, I'm going to add the already boiled pepper to give it good taste. The pepper has been parboiled with all the necessary ingredients. We have the iru. I'm from the Yoruba speaking part of Lagos or Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria. And there are different ways of making rich egusi soup. So this is one of the ways, and I'm going to showcase the way we make it. So you can just put this red pepper to give it a very good or beautiful look. I'll continue to stir because egusi is not expected to get burnt. So if you continue to stir, after a while, you will see the oil coming out of the egusi itself. I won't stop frying, or I won't stop turning it so that it doesn't get burnt. And you really have to cook it so that it does not give you any stomach problem. So I'm going to allow it to cook for the next 10 minutes. I'm going to allow it to cook for the next 10 minutes. When the oil from the egusi would have come out. So I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for the next 10 minutes. I'm back. I have my stockfish to add to a foriro. You see, it's almost boiling, so I really have to be fast with cooking. The stockfish has been added. We have the pomo. The pomo too has been added. You have the smoked fish. Smoked fish has also been added. we have the smoked banla. All this is good for egusi because it's going to make your egusi soup rich. I'm also putting ogiri in this egusi because ogiri to give it a unique taste. So now it's time for me to put my ugu, the vegetable. The vegetable is good. I'm using saint leaf and ugu. It's going to change the taste of the egusi soup. And I assure you, I'm putting my meat. I can assure you that the taste of this egusi soup is really going to come out nice. I have to put it at this point in time so that it will give it the taste that this egusi deserves. Don't mind me. I have to taste to see whether the iru, the crayfish that I added, the crayfish can be added at any particular point in time, but I'm adding it at the end so that the taste can come out well. Somehow sticky, I need to add small quantity of water to it so that it doesn't get burnt. Because I don't like my egusi to be watery. So I'm going to taste it to discover whether I need to add more ingredient for the taste to come out well. So I need to add just 1 cube of Maggi. And I'm using Knorr because Knorr does not have salt as much as the other Maggi has. So I'm still going to add additional water so that the egusi soup can come out really well. I wouldn't put much Maggi in my egusi soup because it's not healthy. So what I did was to add the ogiri with the iru, and this will not cause any problem for anybody having health problem. It's really not Maggi and salt. I mean, it didn't add any salt because salt itself is not good. It's not healthy for anyone. So what I added mostly is the iru, the ogiri, the crayfish, and little quantity of Maggi. And this is healthy for anyone. And I tell you, the taste is going to come out really, really well, and you will love it. It can be consumed or eaten with rice, with amala, with pounded yam, rice, pounded yam, amala, eba, semo, and any swallow. In the next 10-15 minutes, this egusi soup will be ready to eat. It will have been properly cooked. I can assure you, you will enjoy it when you consume it. Thank you.